He strolled inside with calm disdain and eyed each king with sweet, contained pain. You call me rat, you treat me small? Let's lift the veil, shall we recall? To Babur first, the founder bold. You came with blood and left with gold. You reigned on Punjab, raped and burned. For India's wealth, your stomach churned. You crushed the land with timid pride and poisoned Sangha on the side. So pardon me if I don't cheer a drunk invader, not a seer. Then turning slowly, grin half made, he faced the man Akbar portrayed. Oh Akbar, saint of the NCERT book, let's take a slightly closer look. You drank from cups of tolerance, fine, but Chittor dripped with a redder wine. 30,000 souls you crushed. When Rajput blood your gardens flushed. You called it peace, you called it law. But your real love, Kiran Devi's awe. Tell me, O divine messenger of Sulah-e-Kul, how many temples did you dull? Jahangir chuckled, but Shivaji bowed to the wine-slick hair who loved a crowd. The Kangra bells you silenced fast, and Varanasi's idols didn't last. You speak of justice, bell and throne, but cracked them both with stone on stone. Now Shah Jahan stood, all peacock pride, but Shivaji's words cut deep and wide. Mumtaz died, and so began a famine planned by your own hand. 7 million starved and cried, while marble tombs grew glorified. Tell me, was her smile so dear that peasants had to disappear? And Aurangzeb, the final lord, gripped the handle of his curved sword, but Shivaji mocked with kingly glare. No throne can clean blood-stained air. You jailed your dad, your brothers bled, then raised jizya on the dead. You hunted saints and broke their domes, while scribes still called you the builder of homes. Your court was filled with spies and fear, and yet I am the rat that's here. Then pausing, Shivaji walked the floor, his words a storm, a lion's roar. I carved a Swarajya with sword and fire, no stolen crown, no sulking empire. I taxed at 10, you taxed at 40, and still left my farmers hale and hearty. I spared the women, kept my code, while your harems overflowed and glowed. I bowed to Bhavani, not Baghdad's hand, and lit a torch across this land. From Panhala to Plasi's shore, my name is sung. What's yours for?